Today on Crypto Win Rate, we are doing a beginner spot trading tutorial on xt.com. In this video, I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can start buying and selling crypto with confidence on XT's spot trading market. If you want to claim a USDT welcome bonus, I recommend you create an XT account with the link in the description. New users registering with our link will be eligible to receive these exclusive welcome bonuses. To start our spot trading tutorial, the first thing we need to do is make sure that we have funds in the right account. So let's head to our wallet, go to Overview, and click on Spot Account. When you deposit funds into XT, you can either deposit into your spot account or futures account. So it looks like I deposited my funds into my futures account. We can see the 200 USDT, but we want this in our spot. So we're going to go to Transfer and make sure we have our futures to our spot account, transfer the full amount, and press OK. We have successfully transferred our funds to our spot account. If you aren't sure how to deposit crypto into xt.com, we have previously made a video on this, so I'll go ahead and leave a link to it in this video's description. Now that we have our funds in the right account, we want to look at the spot trading fees on XT. So let's head back to the main page, clicking on the top left X icon. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, and under support, we can see fees. Click on this, and we can see under current fee rate for spot trading, the maker and taker fees are both 0.2%. Exchanges usually charge two types of fees, maker and taker fees. Maker fees apply when you place a limit order, while taker fees apply when you execute a market order. So these are the base trading fees, but we can see something that says next level. If we scroll down, there are different levels that you can get to on xt.com. Leveling up depends on your current account assets, your 30-day spot trading volume, and your 30-day average account assets. So that's something to keep in mind. Pretty much the more you trade, the lower your fees will eventually become. Now that we understand the trading fees, we can head to the top where it says Trade and click on Spot. On the top left of the spot trading dashboard is where we can choose our token. For this tutorial, we will be trading BTC, but XT has lots of different tokens that you can choose from. Now let's quickly go over the trading view chart. At the top of the chart, you can change the time frame. For example, 1 minute shows a very short-term price movement, while 1 hour, 4 hours, or 1 day gives you a bigger picture of the market. For this tutorial, we're going to leave the chart on the hourly. On the side, you'll find drawing tools. These let you mark up the charts with things like trend lines, horizontal support, resistance levels, and boxes to highlight important price zones. You can also add indicators like moving averages, RSI, or the MACD. These are tools traders use to help analyze price trends, momentum, and possible entry or exit areas. To the left of the indicators, we have the chart settings. This lets you customize how the chart looks. You can change things like candle colors, background color, and other display settings to make the chart easier for you to read. Lastly, on the bottom, you'll see trading volume. Volume shows how much of an asset is being traded during a certain time period. Higher volume, like right now, usually means there's more activity and liquidity in the market, and lower volume means there's less activity. So overall, the chart helps you understand price movement, spot trends, and make more informed trading decisions before placing a trade. Just to the right of the chart option, we can see Crypto Overview. This is where you can see information about the token you are trading, like its market cap, total supply, and all-time high. If you want even more information about your token, you can click on this AI button, and it will generate you a nice report on the recent market trend. It'll tell you things like sentiment, price momentum, the greed and fear index, and a nice little quick overview. Just to the right of the chart, we have the order book. It shows all the current buy and sell orders on the exchange. The green represents buy orders, and the red represents sell orders. The order book can help traders see supply and demand at different price levels, while also giving a sense of the asset's liquidity, meaning how much buying and selling interest there is at each price. To the right of orders, we can see trades. The trades section shows the trades that are happening in real time. You can see the price, amount, and time of each trade. This helps you quickly see where people are buying and selling right now and how active the market is. On the top right of the page, we can click on Settings. Here's where you can choose the theme. Right now we have dark. If you like light, you can do that, but I prefer dark. and you could choose the layout of your spot trading dashboard. Right now we have advanced, you can use classic, or you can also use full screen. It really just depends on what layout you prefer, but for this tutorial, we're going to keep it on advanced. Next, we're going to go over the different spot orders you can make on xt.com. We have a market order. A market order buys or sells instantly at the best available price. It's the fastest way to enter or exit a trade, but the final price can be slightly different if the market is moving quickly. Next to the market, we have a limit order. A limit order lets you choose the exact price you want to buy or sell at. The order will only fill if the market reaches your selected price. On the bit more advanced side, we have a stop limit order. A stop limit order lets you set a trigger price and a limit price. Once the trigger price is reached, a limit order is placed. Traders often use this to plan an entry or exit at a specific price instead of buying or selling immediately. We also have a trailing stop order. A trailing stop order follows the price as it moves in your favor, then triggers if the price pulls back by a set amount or percentage. Traders use this to protect profits while still giving the trade room to move. For this tutorial, we will be using a market order, so the trade executes instantly and you can easily follow along. So let's get our trade set up. We will be buying Bitcoin with our full amount of our account balance, which is 200 USDT. And now before we buy, we can see a box that says TP and SL. This stands for take profit and stop loss. A take profit and stop loss are tools that help you manage your trade automatically. A take profit closes your trade when price reaches your target, so you can lock in gains, while a stop loss closes your trade if price moves against you, helping you limit how much you can lose. These tools are especially important for beginners because it helps you manage your risk before you even enter the trade. Instead of guessing what to do while the price is moving, you already have a plan for where you'll take profits and where you'll cut your losses. So let's create our take profit and stop loss. I want to put my take profit around 130,000. That means that if Bitcoin reaches 130,000, we will be sold out of our position and we will take our profits. That is about a 59.5% gain from current prices. For our stop loss, let's set it at 55,000. That means once Bitcoin hits 55,000, we will be sold out of our position and we will just take our losses. This is about a 32.5% decline from current prices. Now that we have our take profit and stop loss set up, we can click buy BTC. We can make sure that our order details are correct and we can confirm. Scrolling down to the bottom a bit, under order history, we can see the details of our spot buy, and under open orders, we can see our take profit and stop loss. If we wanted to cancel our take profit and stop loss order, we can just click on this trash can here. And if we want to close our trade, we can switch from buy to sell. Again, we are making a market order. We are going to sell the full amount of our position and click sell BTC. Again, look at the details. We can see our estimated trading fee. So it'll be about 40 cents. And then we can confirm. To see how our trade did, we can head to our wallet, click on overview, and we can see our trade lost about 0.87 cents. So this wasn't the best trade for us, but you can't win them all. And that wraps up today's tutorial on spot trading with xt.com. Hopefully this gave you a simple understanding of how to buy and sell crypto on XT's spot market. For beginners, the most important thing is to focus on learning first. Start with small trades, practice using the platform, and always use risk management instead of just guessing where you think the price is going to go. If you want to claim a USDT welcome bonus when signing up to xt.com, you should create an account with the link below this video. The link will take you to this sign up page where you can see all the bonuses that you are eligible for. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We also have a website at cryptowinrate.com where we have lots of crypto content and tons of educational guides for you to sift through. Thanks for watching and bye for now.